Yo, the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Total letdown. Rounded corners killed that Ultra vibe, no big upgrades, and they even yanked Bluetooth from the S Pen. Fans? They're left hanging, all eyes now on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the leaks are wild. Samsung played it safe again with the S25 Ultra, but safe ain't gonna cut it when Chinese brands are sprinting ahead in innovation. Don't get me wrong, the S25 Ultra's still solid, but for Samsung, nah, it fell short. Even MKBHD threw shade. Now, the S26 Ultra? Leaks say massive changes are coming. First up, the display. New COE tech, insane brightness, think over 3000 nits, and slimmer bezels that make the phone look like a sleek beast. No full under-display camera yet, cause that tech still sucks. Processor? Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, baby. 41% CPU boost, power moves only. Battery? Finally upgrading to silicon carbon tech, meaning bigger capacity but smaller size, plus faster charging at 65W. About time, Samsung. And remember that Bluetooth feature in the S Pen? Yeah, they killed it, claiming only 1% used it. Fans weren't happy. Might come back? Probably not. Samsung's chasing margins there. Camera's getting a shakeup too. Dual zoom lenses out. A rumored single 200MP telephoto with 4x optical zoom in. If true, that's a game changer. Plus, variable apertures back, more control, better pics, like the good old S9 but leveled up. S26 Ultra is dropping early 2026, starting around $1,299. Before that, the S25 Edge is on the way, Samsung's thinnest, tricked-out phone yet. If you want to catch all the deets, smash that like, hit subscribe, and don't miss the next vid. Peace out.